For me, the holy trinity of good flavor is tomato, garlic, and butter. Add these three things to anything and you have a good dish towards yourself. Noe is a restaurant that believes in delivering comfort, elevated dining to our guests, and we have taken inspiration for the menu throughout the globe, throughout the techniques, ingredients, and everything around the world. When you're doing design dishes the way we are, when you're not just serving rudimentary dishes that are available everywhere, it has to come with a story. It has to come from within you, because these are dishes or these are stories that you want to bring out to the world, right? So all good food created is through emotion, what I believe. So everything that, as we said, has a story in the menu. At Noe itself, we have dishes which has balsamic vinegar, but we are not putting balsamic vinegar. We are adding kachampuli vinegar, which is from the south of India, majorly from Coorg, and that's called the black vinegar of India. And we are trying to create that and use that to make our balsamic vinegar. We are using ingredients which are native and lost and are only used in the pockets of India, and trying to use that. So I'm not saying that we are a ingredient forward restaurant or an Indian ingredient restaurant. I'm just saying my philosophy changed to start using ingredients that are around me and around the ecosystem which people have forgotten.